show you how you can use extract with your Copilot in Excel. So the first thing I'm going to do with this large selection of data is I'm going to create a table. So I'm clicking within the data, I'm going to the insert on the menu bar, and I'm selecting table. My table does have headers, and so I'm going to say OK. Okay, so now I would like to create a list of the type access in just the data that's related to access, and it's under the word type. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going back to my home tab, I'm clicking on the Copilot, and what I'm going to ask it to do is I'm going to say extract. So extract is a big word with using Copilot. So we're extract extract the type. So once again, I'm using my column heading so it knows what I'm talking about. The type, and I'm putting it exactly as it's there. So I'm saying access so that's exactly as it appears in the table. And so this is table 1 that I have because it's the first table I've done in my file. So I'm saying from table 1, and I'm going to say and I'm going to tell it what to do with the data that it retrieves. So I'm going to say and create table 2 with the results. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press my arrow key here. So I've got the line there and I'm pressing the arrow key for it to work. It's thinking. Now it's analyzing. So now what I can do is I can download a table 2 with access only. So now I've got the table here, so I'm going to open this file. And so I will select all of this so it gets to be the right size. And I'll double click. And so there we have just the access that's been retrieved from my data on the original table. So using extract is an extremely effective way of getting data from your Copilot in Excel. Please subscribe.